Read the title? Good. Birds of Prey Harley Quinn end credits on TNT. Well, I didn't get end credits for the recent two I just made, but I finally got one in place for you. So, thank Lord heavens. So, in my opinion, this film was really fun and entertaining, even though it does make odd purposes when it comes to this. But think outside the box for a change. So, yeah, really cool, really cool. 79% on the tomato meter, 78% popcorn on the popcorn meter. So, yeah. And that's why I love seeing Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn because, like always, she's just a badass at everything. You know what I mean, right? So if you want more TNT content, make sure you subscribe. Let's continue. And I already know Kathy Yan directed this film, so yeah.
Don't try me. I'm bad like a villain. I pop it in the pillow. All the best things in life come for free. But don't you think that up high is me? Cause a better than I ain't damn what you know I rock. More than the rooster when you a child. Took me to dinner, then I took him out. I like it when you call me crazy. Long as you keep calling, baby. It's that I know how to shoot. Don't you say it if I pointed at you. Go through my ex, throw them in the text. Boy, wish you the best. But I already helped date night with my get real twisted. You know what you could do? Get my bunch of kisses.
I love me this much, my pear-shaped drip that is freezing.
Cast by Rich Steele. Cast balls. Margot Robbie. Mary Elizabeth Winstead. Shirley Smollett Bell. Rosie Perez.
I know how to work a gun, I don't need a range, and I can take a hit. I ain't scared
Ella
of
J.
the pain,
Bass.
and I don't really bang, but I came with the
And
name.
Ewan McGregor.
If you get too close, I might snatch off your chain. Oh, you want me to be a
First
little
Love
more
Shot.
ladylike? I'm doing my girls and feature.
Jackie Willis.
Hey, you don't wanna go toe to toe with my pedicure. Everywhere you know, be like, bro, how you have her? I'm my new boyfriend, so that means I will never
Clubhouse
you
Pictures
again.
Production.
And I ain't never need him, so it's so easy to leave him. And I be doing me, I ain't never trying to please him.
Full Company and Birds of Prey. And the fantabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn. Whew. What's next? It's Suicide Squad. Where Margot was in this film with Will Smith. Can't wait to watch Birds of Prey again one day soon. So yeah. That's it for the end credits to the TNT broadcast of Birds of Prey Harley Quinn. We'll see you later.